simply have to click on File and Place, and go on the path where your image is available. Select your image and click on Open. Now you can see here our image got import in Adobe InDesign. Now just click on the page where you want to place your image. Simply I just click here. Now you can see the size of image is too much large. So for reducing the image, simply I will go here on scale and just reduce it something 80%. It seems to be something large, so I will again reduce the size of image approximately 60%. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, so this is something we can import our image and reduce the size of our image. Apart from this, if you notice here, so there are two things. Number one is frame. As you know, Adobe InDesign always create a frame for anything. Even you write a text, even an image or any boxes, InDesign keep all the things in a frame. So image is also inside of frame. Okay. Now this is your frame, and if you want to select your image, simply have to click on this icon. Now your image got selected. Once your image got selected, so it will look like something yellow. Okay. Now if you move, your image got moved inside your frame. Now as you can see here, the area that is not available inside frame is getting hide because it's not coming under frame. Okay, so make sure all the content, all the images in Adobe InDesign remain a specific frame. Okay, so this is something very important point that you should understand while working in Adobe InDesign. Okay, now next thing, currently we import our image, but you can see here the image is coming above our text. That means our content is getting hide behind image. So avoiding this, we are to be use text wrap. Okay, so for text wrap option, simply I will click on Window and text wrap. With shortcut keys Ctrl plus Alt plus W, that also we can use. Simply have to click on it, and you can see currently there are no text wrap is applied on our image. Okay, so you can see here multiple text wrap option is available that we can use for wrapping our text around our image. Okay, so the first one I will click wrap around bounding box. Okay, something like this. Now you can see all the content that is coming exactly behind image got wrapped around your image. Okay, but you can see there are no spaces coming between our text as well as image. So that is not looking good. So adjusting it, so releasing spaces around your image, between your image and text, you can use this option. Okay, so make sure you will keep check on this by whom you will increase or decrease spaces around your image, overall space around your image. But if you keep it unchecked, so individually you can adjust each side of space around your image. Okay, so currently I just keep it unchecked and release the space. As you can see, the space is getting released around your image. Okay, similarly you can also use, there are other options, text wrapping option is available which you can use for adjusting your content around your image. Okay, so these are also important things related to image which we must know while working Adobe InDesign. So hope you got to understand how to import image in Adobe InDesign and reduce the size of image, as well as how we can apply text wrap on our images. So these are things you got to understand. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more useful content. Thank you.
Lee Graphics.